This is the lobby elevator at One Mack-Cali Center in Tampa, Florida. You may remember this as an original Haughton, but I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it got modded. As you see, it goes to levels 2G, 3G, and 4G. And Schindler got their hands on these. Let's go up to 4G. Yeah, it's Scenic. Let's look out the view. It's got like the typical 338 chime. Here we are at 4G. Fourth garage. That's how it's labeled. This is right where the call station was, but it is no longer. Here's a little look up the shaft. Yeah, it's too bad it's got modernized. Here is your inspection certificate. Whoa. It went to nudge mode. And the floor passing chime just happened, but like, the indicator didn't change. Yeah, floor passing chime is like a floor ahead. And that doesn't chime at lobby. Alright. Again, that is where the old call station was, but it is gone. It is no more. Alright. And then here's a little look at the elevator from the outside. That'll be it.